Hey Missoula, it's Jeremy Williams at the Bannock Real Estate Group, and each month we like to bring you hyper-local information so you can make smart, educated decisions whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. So where are we at so far? Well, we're at the halfway point for 2025, and while the market's still strong, things are changing. After years of tight inventory and sky-high demand, we're seeing a shift towards a more balanced or even buyer-leaning market. So what does that mean for you? Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just keeping an eye on things, let's break it down. Right now, the average home in Missoula is selling for about $661,000. That's actually up a couple percent from last year. And what's going on with the median price? Well, it's sitting at $575. So yes, prices are still rising, but of course not like they were in the early 2020s. The days of the wild bidding wars are cooling off, and that's not a bad thing. It means more stability, more choice, and more opportunity. And speaking of choice, inventory is way up. There's over 450 homes on the market on average. That's more than double, or some cases triple, the amount of homes that were on the market during the pandemic boom. Back then, buyers were competing for scraps. Today, well, you got options. Absorption rate, which tells us how fast homes are selling, is sitting about 3.7 months, and that's a big shift from the 1 month markets we saw in 2021. Simply put, we're no longer extreme seller's market. We're in a more balanced environment that favors buyers. So what's actually selling? The hottest part of the market right now is 500 to 550. That price bracket has more sales than any other this year, with nearly 90 homes sold already. And that's where demand's strongest. If you're a seller in that range and you price it right, your home's going to move. But pricing is everything. Buyers would have more power now. They're doing their homework, they're comparing homes, they're watching price reductions, and they're walking away from anything that feels overpriced. So if you're selling your home in today's market, strong pricing strategy is no longer optional. It's absolutely essential. So, and there's more changes coming. Missoula is on the verge of major zoning reform, and we're talking more duplexes, fewer lot size restrictions, higher density across the board. That means more options for buyers and the more opportunity for investors and developers to get creative. So what's the bottom line? Well, if you're buying, it's actually a good time. There's more selection, less competition, and interest rates, well, of course not as low as they were in 2021. They're still historically reasonable. Be patient, be strategic, and you'll find a solid deal. If you're selling, your home can still fetch a great price, but only if it's priced right. The market's not forgiven to overpriced listings like it used to be. Good homes, priced well, still sell quickly. And if you're investing, the zoning changes could be a game changer. Keep keep a close eye on those policies. They just might open the door for new long-term investments. So that's your Missoula Market Pulse for mid-2025. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for monthly updates, or just drop us a comment or questions, or even your zip code so we have an idea where we can tailor the information. So thanks for watching. My name is Jeremy Williams of Bannock Real Estate, and I look forward to seeing you next time.